What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another sneaker unboxing. Here we have a Nike Air Jordan 3 Denim. Brand new colorway that just dropped today. This is the fire red denim colorway. Gonna open up the box here. You will notice there's no hang tag with this Jordan 3. You do have a Jordan logo on top of the Nike Air. A clear Jordan logo. I don't know if you can see that. Let's just zoom in. Clear Jordan logo on top of the Nike Air right there. Got the denim elephant print. If you can see, this is a denim material right here. Pretty nice leather throughout the shoe. The Jordan 3s have some nice bottoms. Great pair of shoes. Inside you find a white sole, Nike Air logo, in red. If you're interested in the sneakers and you can't find yourself a pair, there's a StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. Get yourself a nice pair of Denim 3s. These look pretty good. I'm going to throw them on foot here in just a second, and you can let me know what you think. But before that, we should pull out the second pair, the second of the pair. I was able to find these in a lot of Nike stores throughout my city. A lot of Foot Lockers had them. In fact, these were at a lot of stores. I would call this a general release Jordan 3. Pretty insane to me how much volume StockX does on a shoe like this on the day it comes out. If you look at the sales history for a shoe like this, it sells like every 5 minutes, sometimes like every 3 minutes. Pretty insane business model considering they make like 10%. Just do some math for you real quick. They're making $25 Canadian, or let's call it $20 every 5 minutes. So that is 12 times an hour, $240 times 24, $5,760. I think it's actually way more than that. I'm pretty sure these shoes sell like every minute or so, which would make it 60 times 20, 1,200 times 24. About $28,000 in revenue, almost $30,000 in revenue on a shoe like this for StockX. I'm sure GOAT does a similar amount of volume. Maybe a little bit less because GOAT charges a $5 shipping fee. So the payouts for sellers are a little worse on GOAT. Let's throw these on and you can let me know what you think. If you haven't noticed, yes, I am wearing 2 different socks. But I think that's okay. You know who has time for laundry these days? When there's sneakers to buy and YouTube videos to upload. These are some solid Jordan 3s. They look great with joggers. Check out the Amazon affiliate marketing link to get yourself a nice pair of joggers or jeans that will go well with your sneakers. There's also a StockX affiliate marketing link in the description to get yourself a pair of these sneakers. As you probably already know, just gonna loosen up the second pair here. Like, what can I say? These Jordan 3s are starting to get to me. You know what I've noticed? I've noticed recently that I buy sneakers and I don't wear them, and then once I start wearing them, I don't like them as much as I liked them when I bought them. This is making me think that I should be buying myself a Jordan 3 that I actually wear. Because I have some 1s, I have some 8s, I have some 19s, but those are only for special occasions. I don't like them as much as I did when I bought them, I gotta admit. I'm starting to really enjoy Jordan 3s. I never liked them too much when I got into the sneaker game. I wasn't sure what the hype was. But seeing these fire red 3s, the fire red denim 3s, the fire red 3s that came out recently, the laser orange 3s, I'm starting to really appreciate what a nice Jordan 3 can be. The cement 3s, on the other hand, the black cements, those are a favorite. I definitely liked those when those came out. As you can see, it's a nice pair of shoes. Check out the Amazon affiliate marketing link in the description to get yourself some nice joggers or jeans to go with your 6 sneakers. There's also a StockX affiliate marketing link for the 3rd time in the video. Links in the description. Get yourself a pair of these fast. Because on StockX, I know you think you'll always pay above retail, but from time to time you can find yourself a deal. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely go into the comment section. Tell me what you think of the content. Tell me if you want me to talk more about resale. Tell me what you think about the shoes. Goodbye.